Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get a Figma Access Token. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Figma website. Once you've logged in, you'll land on the Figma homepage. From here, move to your profile section, which you can find by clicking on your profile icon or avatar at the top right corner of the screen. When the drop-down menu appears, select Settings. In your Settings panel, focus on the Security section and click on it to proceed. Inside the Security settings, look for the option labeled Personal Access Tokens. These tokens are important because they act as secure keys for authentication when you use Figma's API or connect it with other tools. Next, click on the Generate New Token button. You'll be asked to enter a name for your token. Once you've named it, confirm your choice to generate the token. Figma will then create your new personal access token and display it on the screen. It's important to note that the token will only be shown once, so make sure to store it securely. And that's it. So that is how you can get a Figma Access Token. So that's all for this video. Thanks.